Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter number 9, Bholi, or Footprints Without Feet. It is written by K.A. Abbas. This story is about a girl named Bholi. He could not speak properly. आपको पता है चैप्टर की रीडिंग की थी हमने, तो मैंने आपको बताया था अच्छे से कि भोली अच्छे से बोल नहीं सकती थी, वो तुतला के बोलती थी एंड अदर चिल्ड्रन यूज टू मेक फन ऑफ हर. But she got a lot of change after joining a school in village. She was encouraged by her teacher. Her teacher told her that she would speak properly if she would come to school daily. टीचर ने बोला था कि उसकी ये जो स्टैमरिंग हैबिट है ये तभी ख़त्म हो सकती है अगर वो रोज़ स्कूल आती है. एंड द टीचर हेल्प्ड अ लॉट. Now Bholi became a confident girl. Bholi replied smashingly to Bishambar Nath when he demanded rupees 5,000 as dowry. She refused to marry a greedy, lame, old and covered man. All were thunderstruck to see Bholi's behavior. She didn't stammer. All this was possible because of her education and teacher's training. कि टीचर की ट्रेनिंग देने से और पढ़ने से वो इतनी ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई थी कि बिशंबर नाथ जो उससे शादी करने आया था वो भी उसके आगे ना ठहर सका. रामलाल हैड 7 चिल्ड्रन. रामलाल उसका फादर था भोली का, उसके 7 बच्चे थे. 3 sons and 4 daughters. Bholi was the youngest. Bholi सबसे छोटी थी. All the children were healthy and strong except Bholi. The sons were went to the city for study. The 3 daughters were good looking, so it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. जो लड़कियां बाकी की थी वो दिखने में सुंदर थी, इसलिए उनकी शादी आसानी से हो गई. It was not a difficult task for Ramlal to find the grooms for them. But Bholi was neither good looking nor intelligent. Bholi was 7 years old when a primary school for girls was opened in the village. उनके गांव में एक स्कूल खुला. The Tehsildar Sahib came to perform the opening ceremony. He told Ramlal that as a revenue official and as representative of the government in the village, he must set an example to the villagers to send his daughters to school. तो तहसीलदार आया, उसने रामलाल को बोला कि तुम्हें एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करनी है एंड एज यू आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इन द विलेज, सो यू मस्ट सेंड योर डॉटर टू स्कूल. देन ही कंसल्टेड हिज वाइफ. शी डिडंट एग्री विद हिम. His wife said if they would send their daughters to school, who would marry them? So it was a thought of the people that if the girls would be sent to the school, then no one would be there to marry them. So the wife refused. The wife said that they will not send their daughter to school. But Ramlal had to send the daughter to school as it was the order of the Tehsildar. Ramlal caught Bholi by his hand and tried to take her to school, but Bholi got frightened because she didn't know what a school was like and what happened there. Bholi वैसे भी एक सीधी सादी लड़की थी, तो उसको नहीं पता था कि स्कूल कैसी चीज़ होगी. So she was not ready to go to school. But when she got ready for the school, she was looking pretty. She was given a new dress to wear. She began to think that she was being taken to a better place than her home. और अब उसको लगा था कि जो स्कूल है वो उसके लिए एक अच्छी जगह है घर से भी ज़्यादा. Her father took her to the school headmistress. The headmistress made her sit in a corner in one classroom. Her teacher asked her name. She couldn't speak properly and stammered as she was not able to speak properly. So she couldn't say her name. She couldn't tell her name. The children started laughing at her. Bholi started crying. When the bell rang, all the students went outside to play. But Bholi dared not leave the corner where she was sitting. The teacher went near her. The teacher's voice was very soft. It was soothing. It touched her heart. She decided to speak up and told her name. Then the teacher encouraged her to come school daily. She said that she would be able to speak properly and one day she would become the most educated girl in the village. 10 years passed and the village became a small town. टाइम बीतता गया और क्या हुआ, टाइम बीतने से अब जो उनका विलेज था वो विलेज नहीं रह गया था, ये एक स्मॉल टाउन बन गया था. रामलाल गॉट अ मैरिज प्रपोजल फॉर भोली फ्रॉम बिशंबर. Ramlal was talking to her wife about the proposal of Bishambar Nath, who was a grocer in the neighboring village. He had a big shop and a big house of his own, but he was middle-aged man whose children from his first wife were grown up. अब बिशंबर नाथ का मैरिज का प्रपोजल आया भोली के लिए. बिशंबर नाथ was from the neighboring village. He was a middle-aged man and he had children also from first wife. But Ramlal's wife agreed for the marriage of Bholi with Bishambar Nath. Bholi was listening the conversation of her parents. Bholi ने अपने parents की conversation को सुना, but she couldn't say anything. The day of the marriage came and Bishambar came with big party of friends and relatives on the day of marriage. He came with pomp and show. When Bishambar Nath was about to garland the bride, a woman slipped back the veil from bride's face. Bride was Bholi here and her face was covered with dupatta, and at the time of Jaimala, one lady slipped her dupatta from Bholi's face. He had a quick glance at her face and saw her pock marks. There were the marks of chicken pox on her face, and Bishambar saw those marks. To see her pock marks, Bishambar Nath demanded 5,000 rupees as dowry from Ramlal. अब बिशंबर ने बोला कि मैं ऐसे लड़की को लेके जा रहा हूँ, so I want 5,000 rupees also. Ramlal requested to take 2,000, but Bishambar didn't accept. Once again, the dupatta slipped back from her face, but this time her eyes were not downcast. किसी ने जानबूझ के एक बार फिर से उसके फेस से दुपट्टा गिरा दिया, लेकिन इस टाइम पे भोली की आंखें नीची नहीं थी. So she said that she wouldn't want to marry such a mean, greedy and covered person as her husband. She didn't stammer and spoke in clear loud voice, and that was the first time when she was not stammering. She said everything in clear voice. Everyone was thunderstruck. It was like a shock for everyone. Bishambar Nath went back with his party. और बिशंबर नाथ जैसे बारात लेके आया था वैसे ही वापस चला गया. Ramlal's head bowed low with the weight of shame and grief. He became worried about Bholi's future. अब रामलाल को उसके फ्यूचर की टेंशन थी, बट सुलेखा आंसर्ड दैट. सुलेखा वॉज द अदर नेम ऑफ भोली, बट सुलेखा आंसर्ड दैट शी वुड सर्व हर मदर एंड फादर इन देयर ओल्ड एज एंड टीच इन द सेम स्कूल वेयर शी लर्नड सो मच. सो भोली ने बोला कि उनको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. शी विल सर्व देम इन देयर ओल्ड एज and moreover she will teach in the village school also. Her teacher was standing in the corner and watching the drama. Her teacher was so happy to listen Bholi's replies and she felt satisfied. So that's all with this chapter. You will learn the question answers of this chapter well. Okay, bye. Have a nice day ahead.